Hi there, thanks for reaching out to learn more about Kickbox. In this demo, you'll learn how to use Kickbox to ensure your emails reach their intended recipients, enhance your email marketing campaigns and deliverability rates, either through verifying your email list before a send or in real time on your sign-up forms using our API. Signing up for Kickbox is simple. Head over to kickbox.com and click on the Get Started button. Once you provide a little information, you can easily and quickly sign up. Oh, and I'd also like to mention you get 100 free email validation credits just for signing up. Feel confident in knowing that we have no hidden fees and we have a pay-as-you-go policy. Only buy the credits that you need. Once you created your account and maybe you used your free credits, you can simply purchase credits by going to the purchase section on the left-hand side. Add as many credits as you need to your shopping cart and check out. And there you go. You have more credits to verify email addresses. Your Kickbox dashboard has a lot of helpful information. You can upload a list to verify email addresses, review your overall Sendex score, know how many credits you have left to verify email addresses, and view your activity over time. On the left-hand side, you can always get back to your dashboard by clicking on the dashboard item. You can view your lists and upload more lists, verify a single email address, use our APIs for real-time verification, purchase more credits, and also add or review your integrations. Let's upload a list together and verify some email addresses. While the list is uploading, I want to tell you about our integrations. You can connect to most integrations with an API key or by logging in using an email address and password if you use many of our already made integrations to many CRMs, email platforms, and more. It looks like our list is done and ready to verify. I'm going to click Start List. Feel free to walk away and grab a coffee, tea, water, or drink of your choice. It normally doesn't take that long and you'll always receive an email letting you know that your list is ready. It's just taking a few moments here to finalize, and once that happens, we'll be ready to take a look at the results. Now that the verification process is complete, we can take a look at the results. Let's review the categories that Kickbox offers. First is deliverable. A deliverable result means that the email server has confirmed the mailbox exists and that these emails are covered by our 95% delivery guarantee. Next is risky. The risky tag indicates potential quality issues, and we break it down into subcategories such as role, disposable, and accept all. First, for role emails, these are typically items like sales at, info at, or support at, and people that check these emails may not always engage with them, so you want to make sure that you target that specific audience a little bit different to determine whether you want to include them or maybe remove these from any list that you're going to send to. Next is disposable. These are temporary email addresses made to be disposed after one use. It's usually best to avoid these. Then there's accept all. Some domains accept every email sent to that domain, but they may either discard it or bounce it later, so we always recommend that you use caution when sending to these emails and monitor for any bounces that might happen and look for anyone that might not have engaged in a while. We also detect free email services like Gmail or Yahoo. While it's often okay to send to these email addresses, many businesses or B2B marketers might not have great results with these email addresses. It's your choice whether or not you want to send to them. When it comes to risky email addresses, it's important to note that they're not inherently bad in any way. It's just that they're a little risky and you might want to really decide if you want to send to them or not. The next major category is undeliverable. This means that the email address does not exist or there's an error in its structure, and you may want to avoid sending to these emails to keep your bounce rate low. The last category is unknown. This means that we did not get a response from the recipient server, even though we've tried up to 2 times, and it will not use any credits from your Kickbox account. You may want to try to revalidate those again down the road. You may have noticed the Kickbox Sendex score, which can be thought of as a trustworthy rating. The score will be available for each list as well as each email, and there will also be an average overall score on a dashboard as we viewed earlier. The higher the score, the better. Now that we covered the different categories, it's time to either download your list or maybe send it back to your email platform or CRM that you may have an integration with. Choose what you want to keep or suppress from your list based on your risk preference. Your experience is completely customizable to fit the needs of your business and the emails that you want to keep. In the API section of our platform, you can find helpful information about getting started and manage any keys that you currently have. Using the API is a great way to keep your list consistently clean and verify emails as they're entered into any web form in real time. It will require that you use a web developer to speak to the back end of your website in order to set this up. However, this will only take a few moments, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll be on your way to verifying email addresses in real time. While using the Kickbox platform, if you need assistance at any time, simply click on the icon in the bottom right-hand corner. You can contact a support representative or review our help articles. Kickbox can also help you with your email marketing deliverability with our deliverability consulting service. Head over to kickbox.com/deliverability-consulting to learn more. Well, that does it. Use Kickbox to make sure that every email is typo-free and you're able to reach each and every customer. Happy email sending, everyone.